And that's it for our first lesson. In this section, we covered a variety of topics, statutes, and concepts. First, we learned how real estate is a business of many specializations, and just exactly what brokers and salespeople are. And we learned that there are many things they can do, but the unauthorized practice of law is not one of them. We also covered many of the other specialty services in the real estate profession, such as banking and lending, inspection, appraisal, and insurance. Then, we took a look at the economic characteristics of land scarcity, modification, fixity, and situs, and the physical characteristics, immobility, indestructibility, and non-homogeneity. We followed that with a review of the Education Standards Advisory Committee that approves and regulates real estate education for the state of Texas. This included a look at the legislation in the Real Estate License Act that created the Standards Committee. We also talked about the many sources of law in the U.S. and Texas, starting at the top with the U.S. Constitution down through federal legislation, with several examples. Next, we examined laws and rules in our state, such as the Texas Constitution, the Texas Legislature, case law, and local municipalities. Real estate being such a huge participant in the economy, we discussed the various professional organizations that serve the industry and the professionals in it. We also talked about the business of value, that is real estate, and from where that value derives. We covered factors affecting supply and demand, and the business cycle in general, including specifically how it relates to real estate. And finally, we reviewed the purpose of licensing laws in terms of what licensees can and cannot do, and the Code of Texas Real Estate Commission that governs the profession. This includes a long look at many of the regulations guiding the day-to-day functions of the real estate professional. Now, we'll move on to real property.